Okay, so here we go, guys. It's the Kamafory Road that goes down to Kamabai. Smoothed that out pretty good. Still got a little bit of work to do. And a little bit of work to do in here, just to flatten it out. This looks pretty good, doesn't it? You can see what I mean on milestones. This is one of them. We got it nice and flat. We took out some of the big hump areas to make it more flat, and there's some big stones underneath the ground. And we took those out. He's got this little claw on the back of his machine that actually just drags the stones and moves them for him. And then he comes by and just pushes them out of the way. Pretty amazing stuff right here. But this is looking pretty good. Guys have been out here for about 2.5 hours, and this is what happens in 2.5 hours with a piece of machinery like that. The beast, as they call it. That area that I was talking about, there's the 20-foot span to the double gates. Clearing that out, being careful with pillars. Cleared out just a little bit more to make it more user-friendly, as they say. Yeah, look at the size of these stones. These are not small stones. You can't move by hand. I had to be moved with a big piece of equipment.
Ali yesterday. Did you talk to Ali yesterday?
I've got his money. There you go. He is right up on the house site. Whoa, he's in the dining room. How cool is that? He's finally gravitated up to the house site, which is great news. I'm surprised they were able to get it this far today. But this piece of equipment, when it starts rolling, it's amazing. It's starting to get pretty hot out here too. That fellow must be really sweating. These fellas are gonna go take a break. I found some shade under that tree. It's got 1 o'clock. They've been going since 7:30 this morning. They've gotten a lot done here. They're pushing all the dirt all one way. And it's all towards that area that we talked about earlier. I'm trying not to fall over on my face here. A lot of dirt mounds and stuff like that. So it's done a pretty good job coming in here. So you see how he's pushing the dirt out to the edges. Trying to make a nice flat homestead area here. It's pretty amazing. This guy's really good. And remember that this area down here was where that slope was. You're able to see sort of the area here. I'm going to go down the side of this. Here's what it looks like from the other side. I'm going to walk down the side here and you can see how far they've been able to. This is where the container is going to be, right in this area here. He's done a pretty good job of pushing that dirt. And he's still got 3/4 of it to do. So you can imagine how much dirt is going to be pushed down onto this into this area. That palm is going to be buried. They decided to just, there's so many palms here that they just decided to bury it. I'll just push it over. So it'll be gone. It doesn't have much long to go. I know. I hate killing trees. I don't like it. I wanted them to move it, but they just said that it had to go. So we'll replace it, which is would have been really nice in that area. But we'll find something that is equally as good to replace it with. There you go. Hasn't done too terribly bad of a job of level on that. He needs to come down a bit more in the middle. But still pretty good, considering he's been out here since 7:30. He's done all the access road and all this. Remember I said that we had to come down about 5 feet? Well, there's your 5 feet. That's about accurate. About 5 or 6 foot drop. He still needs to get rid of this little hump here. This little area here. He'll do that after they get something to eat. There's our 5.5, 6 foot drop to level the site. All these trees, that tree, This one here, the one in the back of it, up on the top, are all gonna go. The one that they've got shade under, that one's gonna go. It's just the way it is. That one over there, that tree's gonna go. It's just in a bad spot. I don't like taking down trees, but it's just the nature of building. It's the way it goes. So there you go, guys. It's looking pretty good. And again, there it is. Just trying to get that view every morning.